Hello. In this box, I have one of the fabled and elusive NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 Founders Edition graphics cards. It's like one of 6.5 in the world or something. I bought it from the NVIDIA marketplace in the UK for the regular retail price of £1,939, which is crazy expensive, don't get me wrong, but if you know anything about the prices for these things at the moment, it's just nuts. Like, retailers are scalping these cards themselves for over £3,000 and blah blah blah. I'll share with you how I got it for regular retail price, no box, and I didn't pay for anything except for the card itself. But I have a few tips that could help if you live in the UK / the rest of Europe. It might help in other places too. As I unbox this card, I'll tell you about how I got mine for regular retail price. The short answer is a Discord server called Core Finder, link in the description, combined with the way the scan.co.uk website works and a little bit of luck, also some speed. But we want the longer answer. Okay, if you insist. Let's go back a few months to November 2024. I had a 4090 Founders and I sold it because I wanted this shiny new thing that I knew was coming out soon. So present day me has been without a GPU for a few months. Well, actually I had a GPU, but you'll see more about that later. Specifically wanted the 5090 Founders Edition because the small size gave me some ideas about a project or two that I'm excited about. So I joined a few free stock notification services. I joined, and I have to read this off a list, Hotstock, NowInStock.net, HWDB, although that's only really useful in Germany, Stock Informer, and Core Finder, yay. While the others ping all the time for retail scalper cards, Core Finder is the only service that actually alerted me for the Founders Edition ones on the NVIDIA marketplace. The Discord server has about 5,000 members right now, and they're offering free notifications for 50 series drops, so 5090, 5080, 5070 Ti, all those stuff if you're into that, as well as the 9800X 3D if you're having trouble getting that, and the RX 9070 and 9070 XT, which just came out as well. Again, I'll leave a link to the Discord server in the description. Now, once you're on the Discord server, set up alerts for what you're looking for, and Core Finder will keep an eye out for them for you. I can make a separate video showing you how to do that if you want, so if you want that, just let me know. Now, you'll need to be quick and have your devices ready to go because these drops sell out very fast. So far, there have only been 2 UK 5090 Founders drops since released, on the day of release and on the 13th of February. At the time of recording this, it's the 8th of March, so maybe a drop is coming in real soon, hopefully. NVIDIA Marketplace is the place to get the Founders Edition cards pretty much everywhere, but NVIDIA has fulfillment partners in each country. In the US it's Best Buy and Micro Center, but in the UK it's scan.co.uk. NVIDIA Marketplace can be tricky, but it works like this. You go there and it says out of stock. But during the few minutes after a drop, that out of stock will change to something else, like order or something. Your goal is to click the link that appears. But what about the bots? Don't worry about the bots. The beauty of scan.co.uk is that you're not exactly competing against the bots, you just kinda slip in with them. Click that link. You click it and you're in. You're done. Because once you click it and load in, Scan will reserve the stock for you while you check out at a leisurely pace. Same was true for the 30 series and the 40 series Founders cards, and the same's true for the 50 series too. But how do you know to be ready for a drop? I have some more advice. On Core Finder, follow all of the European notifications. All of them. Don't know why, but for the 30 series, 40 series and now the 50 series Founders cards, notifications would pop up in France, Belgium, the Netherlands, Spain, Germany and other countries all around the same time. Then, a few hours to a couple days later, the UK stock would drop. So basically, if you start getting alerts around Europe all of a sudden, get ready for a UK drop to come imminently. Get your devices ready. Your phone, your watch, your mum's laptop, whatever's most convenient to keep close to you at that time, keep it close. The stock will usually drop within the working days, somewhere between 9 AM and 5 PM. Whatever you do, don't just leave your devices on the NVIDIA Marketplace webpage. That webpage caches, and the out of stock notification, even if you press the refresh button, it won't say order, it will just stay as out of stock. I learned that the hard way on launch day and missed the entire drop. It helps to use private tabs. Close any other NVIDIA tabs, open a new one and go to the marketplace. That way you can ensure it won't be cached. A good way to confirm is it should ask you about cookies again. Hopefully that's it. Good luck, happy hunting, and may your power connector never melt. Amen. I'm done talking at you now, so I'll leave you to enjoy my installation journey and bad attempts at beauty shots. Thanks for watching.